Ever wondered where the decisions that impact millions of Australians' finances are made? Where the strategies for one of the nation's biggest banks are hammered out? Well, you've clicked on the right video because today we're diving into the location of Westpac's headquarters. Now, Westpac is a household name down under. You see their branches on high streets, their ATMs are ubiquitous, and chances are, you or someone you know banks with them. They've been a significant player in the Australian financial landscape for over 2 centuries, evolving and adapting to the changing needs of the nation. From humble beginnings as the Bank of New South Wales in 1817, they've grown into a financial powerhouse, merging with the Commercial Bank of Australia in 1982 to become the Westpac we know today. This long and storied history means their headquarters isn't just an office building, it's a central hub, a place where tradition meets modern finance. It's where the leadership teams convene, where major policy decisions are formulated, and where the overall direction of this massive institution is set. So, it's natural to be curious about its physical location. Many might assume, given its national presence, that Westpac's headquarters would be in the bustling heart of Sydney's central business district, surrounded by other major financial institutions. And you wouldn't be entirely wrong. Sydney does play a crucial role in Westpac's operations, housing many of its key divisions and a significant workforce. However, the official headquarters, the ultimate decision-making center, is actually located slightly outside the immediate city center. It resides in a prominent building in Barangaroo, a dynamic and modern waterfront precinct on the western edge of Sydney's CBD. Specifically, Westpac's corporate headquarters are situated at 2 Kent Street, Barangaroo, New South Wales 2000, Australia. This impressive building offers stunning views of Darling Harbour and the city skyline, reflecting Westpac's significant standing in the Australian economy. This location in Barangaroo places Westpac amongst other leading businesses and reinforces Sydney's position as a major financial hub in the Asia-Pacific region. It's a contemporary setting that befits a forward-thinking financial institution while still being deeply connected to the history and growth of the city and the nation. So, next time you see a Westpac branch or hear their name in the news, you'll know that the strategic heart of this major Australian bank beats right there at 2 Kent Street, Barangaroo. It's more than just an address, it's a symbol of Westpac's enduring presence and influence in Australia's financial world. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.